Welcome back to my channel, Nails by Timia here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my new favorite nail tips. They are by Meraki nails and they are the perfect shape nail tips. Guys, I literally have been loving these nail tips. They create like a C curve, almost like you were sculpting, but they're tips. So they just make your work a lot easier. As you can see, the C curve, and then they also already kind of look like they're pinched, so they just give you that sculpted look, which is why I really like them. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick demo for you guys, applying them and applying acrylic and everything, showing you how they look after they're shaped and filed and everything. So yeah, if you want to see my new favorite tips, then just keep on watching. So now I'm just applying the tips. Another thing I really like about them is the fact that they are clear, so I can do a lot of like encapsulated designs or marbles, glass nails, jelly nails, things like that without having to sculpt. So here's what the tips look like applied. I'm going to go ahead and e-file them and then lay some acrylic. As you guys can see, they're like really straight and they have a really nice C curve, which gives that sculpted look. They're like the perfect length for long nails, so I wouldn't even have to cut these. I could just shape them up into coffins if I wanted. If you're looking for something a little bit longer, then these might not be the tips for you. But for me, they're perfect because this is the length that I usually would do on myself, or even shorter. And then majority of my clients, a lot of them are in the military, so they can't have longer nails, and then majority of them just get like medium to long nails, so these are perfect for my clients as well. I've been working with these tips for a few weeks now. I filmed this video like when I first got them, almost as a first impressions, but since then I have been using these tips a lot. So what I will say is that using a tip cutter worked a little bit better for me cutting the tips, especially if I'm going to be doing a design where I want the tip of the nail to be clear, because as you can see, it'll clip it straight across without leaving like that indentation from the scissors, that like white mark at the top. So yeah, a tip for these is to use a tip cutter instead of your scissor when cutting the tips. Now I'm just pre-shaping the tips into a coffin shape, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay my acrylic. As you can see, the pre-shaping is like pretty good with these tips. I won't have to do too much filing after I lay the acrylic because they already have that really nice shape to them. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, but the shape is just really nice. I guess that's why they call it perfect shape tips, because they make your job really easy. Guys, I want to apologize for the setup of this video. I know it's not great. I know that my hands aren't always in frame. It's just really hard sometimes when I'm trying to film myself from this direction instead of overhead. So please bear with me. Thank God this isn't like an application video, because I know, I kind of jacked that up. So yeah. Alright, so here's what the nails look like after I do my application. As you can see, they held their shape really, really good during application, so I don't have to do very much filing after. Like they're almost like perfectly shaped. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and file and then do some e-filing cuticle work and buff, and then these nails will be all done. Alright guys, the nails are all done. I'm sure as you guys can see, they look really, really good. I'm sure you guys can see now why I say these are my new favorite tips. Like, they are literally just perfect. I feel like I didn't have to do much work for them at all. So, yeah, I'll definitely be continuing to use these tips in the future. Guys, I am actually a Meraki ambassador for Meraki nails. So if you guys want to purchase these tips, you can. You can use my code Timia. I will make sure to link it below along with all the other products that I use in this video. And if you use my code, then you guys will get some money off of your order. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.